Did you know that the longest recorded flight of a chicken lasted for 13 seconds? Chickens are not known for their flying abilities, but this particular feat is quite impressive. Despite their limited flying skills, chickens are fascinating creatures with a rich history of domestication and cultural significance. In addition to their contributions to the food industry, chickens have also been featured in various folklore and traditions around the world. Their ability to glide short distances and navigate their surroundings is a testament to their adaptability and survival instincts. So, the next time you see a chicken, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable attributes of these seemingly ordinary birds.